things. So before jumping into the video, I wanted to come and give you guys some information about this hair that I'm wearing on my head from Beauty Forever. I'm just gonna do a short little review, just letting you know how this hair holds up and all that, giving you all the information about this hair. If you don't want to watch that, feel free to skip ahead. I will put the timestamp of when this little segment is over here.
Now a word from our sponsors.
This hair that I have on my head is their Brazilian water wave hair. I think I have it in 26 inches, but I really love this wave pattern. I don't know, can you see? Can you see? I don't know, it's really pretty to me. I like it. The only thing I gotta do to this hair is like literally spray it with water and go. Maybe that's why it's called water wave. But this hair is super easy to maintain. I don't need to do anything to it, but because it's human hair, if you wanted to flat iron it or like wand curl it or do something funky or different with it, you definitely can. I mean, to me, the point of a headband wig is to not have to do all of that. But if you want to, be my guest. You can dye it if you want to. You can cut it. Don't cut it. It's very pretty. Don't get long hair to cut it. But if you want to, it's yours. You pay for it. You can cut it. I wouldn't recommend cutting it, but you can. But I wouldn't recommend it, but you can. You can do like a lot of hairstyles with it, is my point. You can put it in a bun. You can wear it half up, half down. You can wear it all down. You can put it in a ponytail, and it really doesn't matter because you have this beautiful headband here, which does not come with the wig, by the way. They do send you wigs, but this particular headband does not. It looks like this underneath, like a black band. And then I just put my own headband on top. But because you have a headband like covering the perimeter, you can wear it in virtually any style that you would want to. But some of the cons about this hair, it does shed just a little bit, but again, all hair sheds. It's not bad, like terrible, like, oh, I'm getting, you know, a whole bunch of hair, like, no. But doing like this, like, I'm not getting any shedding. You really get the most shedding like if you brush it or comb it, just like regular hair. I just wish it had more like adjustment settings. So you see how there's like two pieces right here, boop boop. Like I kind of wish there's like a third so I can make it a little tighter. But it's all good. It's not like super loose or anything. Like it still feels pretty secure on my head. Probably if I made it too tight, it would probably cut off my circulation thinking about it. So maybe I don't need it that tight. All right, so that's all that I have about this hair. Really fantastic. All the information will be in the description box below. But yeah, let's go ahead and get back into the video. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do is my hair, because we're gonna go ahead and get that out the way so I can go ahead and do my makeup and everything. I'm still gonna put my hair in a ponytail just for the sake of time. But ordinarily I would probably maybe like do some like braids underneath here. I might do that next time. And then I'm gonna lay the ponytail flat against my head. And I'm not making my sides sleek right now because this is gonna be what the wig combs and stuff actually grab into. And now I'm gonna go ahead and put the wig on. And it's secure. And now I'm going to do my edges. Now I have to actually like style the hair. So to put it up in a bun, obviously, is pretty simple. It's just a lot of hair. Make this tight. And before I wrap my bun, I'm gonna put my headband on so that I don't mess up my bun later. So I'm gonna make this fluffy, like fluff out the ends. Or should I just do like one of those skinny buns like this? Cool. When I say I have the most like oiliest skin ever in the history of life, like more oily than anybody else. My skin is just always naturally oily, but my makeup stays all day when I do this. So for my primer, I'm using the Scandinavia primer spray. And I just sprayed that all on my face. And then I have the Laura Mercier, what do you call this? Translucent powder, kind of. No, not that translucent because it got color. And do like a layer of powder to like set my primer. take your setting spray, and I'm using the Scandinavia Makeup Finishing Spray, and you're gonna set your face. So for my foundation, I'm mixing the Fenty Beauty foundation. Mine is in the color 420. This is the Pro Filter, oil-free, because of course I can't do oil. And then this is the Can't Stop, Won't Stop by NYX. Also full coverage foundations. I'm mixing these because I'm kind of like in between these two colors right now. And now I'm just gonna do one pump of this and do one pump. I gotta be to work in literally 30 minutes. So, come out. Okay, so we won't be doing that today. Okay, so maybe I didn't even need the other one. It's a good thing it didn't even come out. I didn't need both of those. And I'm just using the Can't Stop, Won't Stop Concealer by NYX. I have some like heavy bags under my eyes. I hate them so much because everybody always thinks I'm tired. They make me look way older. Like, I just hate these freaking bags. Once I have that on, then I'm gonna go ahead and set my under eye concealer. And for that, I'm using the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Powder in the color Nutmeg. Ooh. So next, you would think I would go in and like set my face, do some contouring. No, next I'm gonna put on my eyelashes. So a lot of people always wanna know how I put on lashes with long nails. And I consider long nails kind of like tweezers. You know how some people put lashes on with tweezers? There's just tweezers that are just attached to my hand. So, okay, I'm gonna go ahead and put this on, even with it still wet. And then I literally just sit it on top of my real lashes. And then I push it into, make sure it makes contact with the skin on my eyelid so that it can stick. And then I use my thumb and index finger to kind of like mush it all together. And then that's how I put on the lashes. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is lashes with Diona. Okay, now the next thing I'm gonna do after I did all that is go in and set my face. And I'm going to use my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter for that. So I'm just gonna set like my chin. And particularly my forehead, because it gets really greasy right here in my forehead, like by my brows and stuff. So I'm just gonna put extra there. The highlighter I'm using is Laura Geller. I have had this highlighter a lot longer than you should keep highlighter, okay? That's all I'm gonna say. I think you're only supposed to keep makeup for like a year or two, whatever the pan says. This one definitely says 24 months. Oops. Give my nose a little sparkle. Give my cheeks some sparkle. Super soft. And then I'm just gonna go in with some eyeliner. And I'm using the Shape and Define. Girl, I got this from the beauty supply store. So what I do is I just rest my face, look in my mirror, draw my line out. And I just recently started doing eyeliner like that, honestly, truly, because I used to just like draw a line and be like, okay, I'm done. But I did notice that honestly, like doing it like this and then drawing a second line, it makes a difference. It does, not gonna lie. And that is your eyeliner. So the lip products that I have is by Modest Lavana, which is my best friend's makeup line. Her lip kits are so freaking cute. They have like lights on them. I don't know if you can see. They have like lights on them and a mirror on it. So like if you're out like at the club, you could just touch up your lip gloss like when it's dark and just touch it up real quick. These are super cute. I'll have the link to these in the description box below. So the color that I'm gonna be using is like this nude color. I forget the exact color, but I'm gonna put it down below. but this one is my absolute favorite. Okay, and I'm just gonna put it like on the insides of my lip, not the outsides, because I noticed like when I put any lip product like around my whole mouth, which I guess you're supposed to be putting on like lip liner, but sometimes I don't like the lip liner look. Like when you put lip liner on, sometimes I just like a simple color on my mouth. I don't always like lip liner like that. I know that's the trend right now, but sometimes I just like a little simple color. And then I'm gonna go on top with this gloss, the coconut oil gloss that you get from the beauty supply store, and just go on top and get like extra glossy. But that is it. This is the final look. Y'all, don't judge my eyebrows. Like I said, I'm getting my eyebrows microbladed this weekend. I know my eyebrows are pretty trash, but this is the best that I can do, okay? And all this information for Beauty Forever will be in the description box below. Thank you guys so much for watching this video.